The holy month of fasting, introspection, and prayer for Muslims, the followers of the Islam. It is celebrated as the month during which Muhammad received the initial revelations of the Quran and the Holy Book for Muslims. Fasting is one of the 5 fundamental principles of Islam. It is called Ramadan. But what does Ramadan mean? And where did it come from? Ramadan is a holy month of worship, Quran study, prayer, and fasting. Ramadan occurs in the month in which Muslims believe the Quran began to be revealed to Prophet Muhammad. This is a happy celebration for Muslims. During Ramadan, Muslims abstain from eating any food, drinking any liquid, smoking cigarettes, and engaging in any sexual activity from dawn to sunset. Chewing gum is also prohibited. This includes taking medication, even if swallow a pill dry without taking any water, it is still forbidden. The most important Muslim practices are the 5 pillars of Islam. The 5 pillars of Islam are the 5 obligations that every Muslim must satisfy in order to live a good and responsible life according to Islam. Islamic female rule. The Quran requires Muslim women to dress modestly and somehow cover their entire female body, including face and hands, when a woman leaves her home. And Islamic male rule. Men are technically allowed to take more than one wife, up to 4 wives, as long as they can provide for each wife equally and not differentiate between them in a practice known as polygamy. Polygamy, though technically legal, is not a recommended practice in Islamic culture.